Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2020 Ford Focus ST line. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing up to 118 brake horsepower and while still returning up to a very impressive 80 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 14 and the car's covered just over 31,000 miles, is a one-owner vehicle and has full service history. This particular colour is the frozen white and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. Being the ST line, you've got the sport seats there with the red stitching on the outside, which also matches the steering wheel as well. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has air conditioning, as well as cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, and then automatic headlights, for example. And then finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. Being a 5-door hatchback, the Focus is nice and practical, so good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also a 12-volt socket just down there as well for charging the devices. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, goes back quite a way with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months EA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, but you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.